Getting ready to buy a home this spring? You're going to want to be ready for some competition. It's still a seller's market, and that means you want to bring your best offer to the table. Here are 4 tips. First, partner with a real estate agent. We understand the local market, what's working for other buyers in our area and what sellers are looking for, and they are always looking for something different. Next, understand your budget. Getting pre-approved for a home loan is a must. It helps you feel confident about your numbers and shows sellers you mean business, that you're ready to go. You're not going to drag your feet in this sale. Now, about your offer. You want to be fair, but you also want to stand out, and I can help you strike that balance. And last, number 4, trust me during negotiations. For any reason, if a back and forth happens, I have your back and your best interest, and I'll help you get the best deal possible. So let's work together, craft an offer that helps you stand out in the crowd and gets your dream home.